No Nonsense Chris. In this renovation tip, I want to talk about the importance of understanding how far to take your renovation to get you in the best position to hit your target back-end sales price. You need to understand, go through every single sale in your area that's surrounding your particular property and see what finishing levels got the highest sales price, and then also understand maybe things you can do to push it even further. Make sure you define your scope. You do not put yourself in a position where you over-improve because you think you're going to be able to create value when the market may not let you do that, and make creative decisions. I'm sitting in the bathroom of one of our San Carlos Park Fort Myers renovations. Traditionally, this ceiling right here dropped. We would raise the ceiling, we would knock out the shower, we would knock out the drops over here as well, and we'd give a nice modern feel with a brand new texture, a new tiled shower, new shower floor, new shower door, new vanities, and we go all out. That would cost us several thousands of dollars. What we found out for this particular property is 99% of every single property that sold, even on the high-end sector, did not have fully renovated bathrooms. Our shower tile's in very good shape. So creatively, we're gonna go ahead and just replace the shower floor. It's gonna cost a couple $100, give a nice look and feel. We're also gonna bring a semi-frameless shower door, and by doing that, it's gonna give it, again, a nice fresh look, but we're saving several thousands of dollars. To go ahead and raise this ceiling with drywall, texture, electrical work, that's several grand. Instead, we're gonna keep it. We moved out the plastic here with the fluorescent. We're gonna put in crown molding. We're gonna trim it out like a tray ceiling and do LED accent light. So for a few $100, we're gonna get a nice fresh look and feel. It's gonna have a modern touch. It's gonna be a focal point. It's gonna feel higher now because this is gonna be elevated over the vanity, but we save several thousands of dollars. So understand how far to take your renovation. Be very smart. Do your homework, do your research. Do not over improve when you have limited budgets, and make very smart decisions on how far you take your reno. And if you do that, you're gonna be very, very successful. If you like videos like this, you can check out my YouTube, which is No Nonsense Chris. Instagram, where I have 60-second tips for buyers and sellers of renovations, is no_nonsense_Chris. And our website is nononsensere.com. Thanks, guys.